As I am getting the boat ready to go out in the water, I decided to do a quick little video showing how I installed the VesselView on my new outboard. So hang on here while I pop the cover off, and I will show you a very easy, simple layout. Okay, with my motor, it was very easy. The actual hookup was up here in front. You basically took the plug that came from Mercury on this motor here and removed it, attached the VesselView plug in here. It went all, I tie strapped it here. The new end for the computer port is now here. Put the cap back on it. Routed the wire along the other wiring on my outboard here. A few tie straps. Tucked it back under here. Get everything nice and tight. And actually tie strapped the module right here on this bracket that came on the outboard. Everything's fairly tight. It shouldn't move around. And it's going to be really exciting to see how it works today. So when you pull the app up, hang on here, let me get the phone ready for you. This is what you see when it's offline. I actually installed the app, and so far I only got 4.4 hours on it. It's 25 horse. Now let me kick it on. Turn the key on, get a little bit more details to what it shows. Once you turn the power on to it, if you look on the module here, it flashes, got two lights. The bottom light is telling you it's got power. Top light is it's searching for the Bluetooth connection. So you come back over to the app here, you hit the connect button, it scans for it, you hit what it actually is, and it logs in and it gives you the various information. You can go to, and see, I still don't know how it all works yet, just been playing with it. But you can touch, it'll give you other data you can input. So it's the strength of your battery, hours, temperatures, RPMs. You can also add to it all these other ones that are listed. You could add onto different screens, make different pages. Some of them you do need to have other monitors installed, sensors, but I just basically want it for the hours, speed, and the basics. So it was fairly easy to install. It took me less than, I don't know, 5 minutes, because it's push play, it works well. Come back over to this, if you look, the top light is now solid green. That is full connected, it's ready to go. So today, when we're going to get out, I'll show some clips of it actually in use. Because again, like I said, I am very excited to be having this. So let's hurry up and get to the water.